In today's video, I'm going to teach you forgot odoo master password. If you've forgotten your odoo master password and odoo is installed directly on your Windows PC, don't worry. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to refresh the service and then set a new master password. This method is straightforward and useful when you still have access to the computer where odoo is installed. To begin, go to the Windows Start menu. This is where you'll access the system tools needed to manage the odoo service running on your machine. If you're not sure where to start, just click the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard. From there, open the Services app. In Services, you'll see a list of background applications and processes that run on your computer. What you're looking for is the odoo service, assuming the application has been downloaded and installed on that PC. Take a moment to scroll through the list carefully and locate it. The exact name may vary slightly depending on the version, but it should clearly reference odoo. Once you find the odoo service, right-click on it and select Restart. This restarts the odoo application service in the background. Give it a few seconds to complete. Restarting the service can help refresh the application state so you can proceed with updating the master password. If the service takes a little time, that's normal, so just wait until it finishes before moving on. After the restart is complete, the next step is to set the new password. At this point, go back into the odoo interface and enter your new master password where prompted. Make sure you choose a password that is secure, but also something you can store safely and retrieve later if needed. A good tip is to save it in a trusted password manager or a secure internal document so you don't run into the same issue again. As you create the new password, be careful to type it exactly as intended since passwords are often case sensitive. It's also a good idea to double check for typing mistakes before confirming the change. That can save you time and avoid another lockout. And that's it. By going to the Start menu, opening Services, locating the installed odoo service, restarting it, and then setting a new password, you can recover from a forgotten odoo master password quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.